Welcome everybody. So I scored this box of bacon for about 30 bucks and it's 10 pounds. And this is how I'm going to use about 25% of it. It's my version of smoked bacon jam. I call it Jack Daniel's Bourbon-Bacon Jam. And here is my recipe. It's 2 pounds of chopped bacon, rendered, 1 pint of your favorite bourbon, 1 heavy cup of chopped shallots, so you could do a cup and a half if you want, a cup of chopped sun-dried tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 2 cups brown sugar, 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, and 1 teaspoon of fresh ground pepper. The total is about $28 or $1 per serving if you've got a nice heaping spoonful on top of a great burger on the grill. All right, and this is what you're going to need to complete this recipe. You're going to need 2 large pots, okay, 1 for cooking and 1 for straining the fat.